Dear students, so far we have discussed about how to evaluate second order determinant and third order determinant. Today we'll solve some previous year question paper problems. In this 2014 to 2020 March, we'll try to cover all the questions in 1 mark, 2 marks and 4 marks. First, let me start with the March 2020. March 2020 question paper. So in that he has asked, the question is find the value of x for which determinant of x2 18x and the determinant, not its matrix, is equal to determinant of 6 to 18 6. So here the solution is what is given here. So given is x2 18x determinant is equal to, so determinant of 6 to 18 6. So as we know, the determinant of this thing is second order is x into x square minus 18 2s are 36 is equal to, again the determinant of second order is 36 minus 18 2s are 36. That is x square minus 36 is equal to 0 and x square is equal to 36, and therefore x is equal to plus or minus 6. So like this, March 2020, for I think it is a 1 mark question is asked, 1 mark question. Similarly, just without wasting time, we'll cover almost all examples. So June 2019 question paper, I'm going to write this. You can try this example. Find the value of x. Find the value of x for which determinant of 3x x1 is equal to determinant of 3 to 4 1. So without failure, now only you can do it. This is March 2019. Next, sorry, June 2000. Now we'll go for March 2019. March 2019 question paper. See, every year 1 mark confirmed it is. This is also 1 mark question. Every year a small question now. Same heading. Find the value of x. Find the value of x for which determinant of so it is the same again is 3x x1 3 2 4 1. It is again same. There is the same problem as repeated. So this is repeated. This is. Now we'll go for 6 18 6. This is also again, this is also repeated. Here repeated in the June 2018. June 2018. That is June means supplementary exam. So this question is June. Same x2 18x 6 to 18 6. Now March. So (2018). Now we'll go for March 2018. This question paper is see. Look at here. So March 2018 question paper. So we'll try to solve all different examples here now. Yeah. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then find determinant of A inverse. So here, this one is later on you can go for it. So look at here. So March 2018. Every year one question is this is if A is an invertible matrix of order 2, that is 2 by 2, then find determinant of A inverse. So you will be this thing clear about this problem when you discuss about inverse of a matrix that time. But now directly I'll give the 1 mark question answer it is. Now here you see so here determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A. So this is a direct solution for this. Determinant of A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A. So now again June 2017. So June 2017. Of course, these are simple questions. Find the value of X. Find the value of X for which determinant of 3x x1 is equal to determinant of 3241. But remember, don't come across confusion with matrices here. In the matrices, what happened? If the orders are same, if the two matrices are equal, then their corresponding elements are equal. But that is not possible in determinants. Don't. So here answer directly what is given here. So determinant of 3x x1 is equal to determinant of 3241. Determinant of 3241. So here determinant is, you know how to find out 3 minus x square. So this is cross multiplication is equal to 3. Again here also determinant of this, say 2 by 2, 3 minus again 4 2s are 8. So that is 3 minus x square, and 3 minus x square is equal to 3 minus 8 is minus 5, and x square you take this side, 3 plus 5 is equal to, that is here I'm going to write x square is equal to 3 plus 5 8, and x is equal to square root of 8, that means x is equal to plus or minus 2 root 3. So this same nature every time these problems are similarly same. So you can check this video once again. If at all you want, you can repeat them. Now today we'll try to complete it now. So March 2017. So I'm solving all the question papers of 1 mark. If A is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix, A is a square matrix with determinant of A is equal to 8, with determinant of A is equal to 8, then find determinant of A into A transpose. This is transpose. But here note, always you must understand determinant of A and determinant of A transpose always equal only. Determinant of A, and this is the solution now, answer. Since he has given determinant of A is equal to 8, therefore determinant of A dash is also, that is A transpose, determinant of A dash is also equal to 8. Now we have to find out determinant of A A transpose, that is equal to determinant of A transpose is equal to determinant of A into determinant of A dash. I think in the lecture 2, somewhere I've given you the idea. In the previous lecture, I've given determinant of product of two matrices is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. But here determinant of A is also 8 and the determinant of A dash is also 8. Therefore, the determinant of A into A dash is equal to 64. So this is March 2017. Now, June 2016, like it is, this is the June 2016. Same nature, find the value of X. Find the value of X for which determinant of 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to determinant of X3, 2x5. So this you can do it here. And March 2016, same nature. I hope so you can solve this. Same problem he has asked, same nature. Find the value of X for which determinant of X2, 18x is equal to determinant of 6 to 186. Every year, every time, these are the examples they are giving. Same nature, 1 mark question. Okay. Now, June 2015. So June 2015. So I'm going to solve this question now. So June 2015. That what type of questions they are asking every time, every year, what type of questions they are asking. Look at here. Find if A is equal to, see that if A is equal to, that is a 3 by 3 order matrix is given 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 1 2 and 0 0 4 0 0 4 0 0 4. Then find determinant of 3A. So my dear students, I think here before understanding this problem, note determinant of K into A is equal to K is the scalar into determinant of A. If the matrix here is 3 by 3 order, means you can write K to the power of K cube. And suppose if it is N, where N is the matrix, order of the matrix, where K is scalar and A is the matrix. This is the one formula already I taught you. Now here you can see, first determinant of, we have to find out, look here, we have to find out determinant of 3A. So determinant of 3A means 3 times of determinant of A. But here 3 to the power of order of the A is what? 3. Therefore this power you have to write compulsory. Here I have written K to the power of N. What is N means? Order of this. So that means here 3 you can take outside. The power is this here. The power is order of the matrix, because here the given matrix is third order. Therefore you have to write 3. If it is second order, you have to write 2. Therefore here determinant of A, this is the question now, star, leave it here. This is the equation star. Now determinant of A, we'll have to find out now, determinant of A. So determinant of A, 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. So as already we have studied how to find out determinant of third order. Either you can expand by using first row or second row or third row or first column or second column or third column. Not necessary, but here I'm going to give you this. Once again, here I'll write 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 4, 0, 0, 4. My dear students, this is the principal diagonal. If any one side of the principal diagonal elements are zeros, if completely any one side of the principal diagonal elements are zeros, then the value of the determinant can be obtained by multiplying the diagonal elements. Multiplying the diagonal elements. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 4, 4. So that means here directly determinant of A is equal to 1 into 1 into 4. Why? Once again I'll repeat. If any one side of the principal diagonal elements are completely zeros, then the value of the determinant can be obtained by multiplying the diagonal elements. So determinant of A is equal to 4. Now continuing from star, therefore determinant of 3A, what you have written? 3 cube into determinant of A, just now we got it how much? 4. So 3 cube is equal to 27 into 4, that is equal to 81. So here once again I'll explain this. Always remember this one. This is important now for you. Determinant of K into A, where K is any scalar, that time K can be taken outside and determinant of A, but don't forget to give the power n. What is n here? N is the order of that given matrix. If given matrix is second order, in the place of n you write 2. If the given matrix is third order, in the place of n you write 3. If the given matrix is order 4, in the place of n you write 4, and so on. So this is the one question you can understand. June 2015, unique question it is. So once again you can note down this. Mostly see that the questions are very simple. Questions are very, very simple in this. Now we have studied about June 2015 we have completed, and March 2015, almost all every time the questions are repeated only. Find x if determinant of 3x x1, already I have solved first example March 2020, is equal to determinant of 3241. I'll give you one idea, you can do it as yourself. That is, here determinant means what? 3 minus x square is equal to 3 minus 8, and solve it. You get March 2015 this is, and June 2014. So here March means annual exam, June means supplementary exam. If A is equal to, see that this is the question what he has given. If A is equal to 1 to, sorry, this is A is equal to, this is, he has given, this is 2, 1, 2, 4, 2. For that is second order, that is n is equal to 2. Then find determinant of 2 times of A. So dear students, what is here? See the answer. So what is given? Given matrix is A is equal to, A matrix is given 1, 2, 4, 2, and find out its determinant now only. Determinant of A is equal to determinant of A. What is A? 1, 2, 4, 2. So hope so you can write determinant of second order matrix is 2 minus, again this is 8, that is equal to minus 6. So determinant of A is minus 6. Now actually according to the question we have to find out determinant of 2 times of A. Where 2 is a scalar, this one you can write 2 times of determinant of A, but here most of the students, they commit a mistake. What? In the about 2, the power of 2 should be 2 again, because here where n is equal to order of the matrix is 2. That is n is equal to 2. So 2 square is 4 into determinant of A, just now we got -6. Therefore, the total answer is -24. Now, similarly, March 2014 example, I'm going to give March 2014. March 2014. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, find determinant of 2A. Here also 2 you can, that is int, I'll give you what is int or this. How to find out determinant of 2A? Here 2 you can take outside, determinant of A you can write here, and order is, so the power of this 2 must be 2. Why? Because, so this is second order, therefore you have to write 2 square. Determinant of A you can write here and find out the solution. So this you can do it as your assignment. So dear students, now for 1 mark questions, right from March 2014 to and March 2020, all the questions which appeared from the topic determinants I have solved. So see that if you look at the question paper, the 1 mark questions are very easy. Next we go for 2 marks questions, next 3 marks and 4 marks question. So in the determinants, there is no 5 marks question. I think there may be chances of you may get 1 4 marks question, 1 3 marks question, 1 2 marks question, and 1 mark question. Thank you, friends. Thank you, dear students. Please note down this. And in this little bit, I have solved problems a little bit fast because problems are very small, very simple. Hope I think you can rewind this video and you can pause this video and go through slowly. Thank you, dear students.